Hi guys, thanks for visiting my channel. Today we're going to be making delicious peach barbecue chicken, perfect for these summer months. In my last video I shared with you how to make peach barbecue sauce and we water bath canned it, but if you missed that, no worries. And if you're not a canner, no worries, because I have adjusted the recipe and I'm going to leave it in the description box below my video so that you can make it just to use one time or maybe 2 times. It might be enough for 2 times, and it will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to a month. So no need to not give this a try. So we're going to get started with a delicious marinade, and then we're going to grill our chicken and we're going to finish it with this delicious peach barbecue sauce. So let's get started. Okay guys, we are going to start with our marinade, and we're going to start with 1/4 cup of reduced sodium soy sauce. We want 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, not packed. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, and I'm just going to eyeball it. And we want 1/4 cup of good olive oil. And then we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of grill seasoning. You can use any kind you like. We'll whisk that together. And I have 3 chicken breasts here that I trimmed and cut in half. We like smaller pieces. You could also use thighs. You could use bone in. You could use whatever chicken you like. If you like legs, use legs. And then pour over your marinade. Seal it up. And massage mine in a little bit. Make sure everything's nicely mixed together. And then I'm going to refrigerate it. You want to refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. I'm going to get 4 in today, but you want to do at least 2.